The Time Card Authorization screen is the primary screen used to view employee worked hours and benefits for the pay period. This is also where you can make corrections to time cards as well as approve hours for payroll. To navigate to this screen, select Time and Attendance, Time Card Management, Time Card Authorization. This screen can be filtered to limit the information that is displayed below. The first option for filtering is to set how many employees to view per page. The default is 10 and the maximum is 25. You also have the option of whether to display daily, weekly, and grand totals. Grand totals will show the combination of hours in the entire pay period if your company pays less frequently than weekly. The next option for filtering is the pay period. If you are visiting this screen throughout the current pay period, then simply leave the option at the current default. However, if needing to review and approve hours for the previous pay period, select the appropriate dates. The other option in this dropdown is to select a custom date range. This is a nice option for bringing up an entire month or even a specific day for one employee. The next option is the days filter. All days will be the default. This option shows every single day within the pay period or date range selected, whether the employee worked or not. The days with activity filter will populate anything considered activity. This is defined by having hours on a day, whether those hours are scheduled or unscheduled, as well as days that the employee was scheduled and did not work. The next option is the approval status filter. This filter is excellent to use because it will remove hours from the screen that have already been approved. This option is particularly helpful when approving on a daily basis because it reduces the information that shows on the screen. Finally, the Employee Filter dropdown has a variety of options. Here, you can filter by a specific employee, department, cost center, supervisor, shift, and more. Typically, the most common option here is to filter by a specific employee if there's a known employee whose punches or benefits require attention. Once you have your needed filter selected, choose the Filter button on the bottom right in order to populate the screen.